Electrically operated all-purpose vacuums aren't designed for use in industrial environments. My ideas melt away. Are you happy now? Turn the left valve, use some force. It should run by now. Enormous amount of lands are becoming environmentally useless because of erosion, and of conversion to non-agricultural uses such as homes, shopping centers, factories, etc. It will be hot and burning. It could be hell. It will require more creativity and perseverance. Not the kind you are used to. Does it elevate you? Really? Soil naturally absorbs carbon from the atmosphere through a process known as sequestration, which not only reduces harmful greenhouse gases but also creates more fertile soil. Could we be saved? Boerstra Engineering is the authority in powered solutions. Responsive organic matter mineralization to changes in soil water content is incompletely understood. It is just a random play we play. Taking it seriously and beating yourself up is the wrong way to go. About 1/3 of the Earth's surface and the income of at least 1 billion people are threatened by desertification. We have over 40 years of experience. Do you still trust them? Current soil fertility issues are integrated nutrient management systems aiming to minimize environmental pollution through leaching and denitrification. It is not easy, but it could be fun, couldn't it? Our work is fast, top quality and cost efficient. If you speed it up some more could come out. Do you feel at home on this planet? Chemicals have been detected in nearby soil or groundwater that could produce vapors that may move through the spaces between soil particles and enter buildings through openings or cracks in the foundation. It is pure insanity. Let's end it now. We act on all disciplines. These should be top-ranked products. It is intended to serve as a research aid to sources worldwide. I am so tired. Can we leave now? They force us with an increasing demand for information. It is awful. The amount of oxygen available in a soil depends on a number of factors, including soil porosity, water content, and consumption by respiring organisms. Put a little sense in it, you fuck. Think. Hydrogen ions have a single charge, and 1/1000th of a gram of hydrogen ions per 100 grams dry soil gives a measure of 1 milliequivalent of hydrogen ion. It should be perfect. My longing becomes unbearable. Based on studies of dense meteorites, parts of other planets, we can reasonably assume that the Earth's solid core is composed mainly of iron, around 80%, with small amounts of nickel. Where to go after this? Boerstra Engineering keeps you informed and may be of help in future times. We can provide our customers from all over the world the best suitable solutions. We deliver maintenance and environmental optimization. It is an illusion to think all could fall in its place. Pain and pleasure are both experiences in you. It is important to note that each research project will be different. Do you disappear at night? We will explore how scientists, mathematicians, or other professionals throughout the centuries looked upon this problem. I am scared. Hands are shaking. The possible danger that applying the common herbicide glyphosate might affect the release of toxic metals from the soil into the ecosystem. The facts on the ground are changing rapidly. I am sure by now it is not merely intellectual. Let the soil remind you that you came from stardust. We only entered the first part. Hurry up. Good soil aggregates, horizons, and profiles take a long time to form, but can be destroyed or eliminated quickly by compaction, tillage, erosion, pavement, or other forms of anthropogenic soil destruction. Oh my God! reduction of the dosing rate has the same effect for intermittent flows. Sometimes I want to die. Merged results pipelines are merge request pipelines that act as though the changes from the source branch have already been merged into the target branch. There are some doubts. They say it is bullshit. The primary soil gases are nitrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Test coverage is correlated to that behavior. Is it timeless? Is it eternal? Variables are visible to all users with access to the repository, and should store only non-sensitive project configuration. Why have we done this? pH change in soils is due to both biotic and abiotic processes. Sometimes it burns. It feels so hot. I long for a healthy environment, without the pollution we encounter nowadays. The world's ecosystems are impacted in far-reaching ways by the processes carried out in the soil. Should it be artificial? I mean the solution? A fact is not to deny. If a realization of who I am is instant, how to proceed? It is a burden. It gets heavy. The soil environment consists of a variety of physical, biological and chemical factors that affect the abundance and diversity of microbes found in the soil. Are you alone? Does every motion stop without you? Migration of soil gases, specifically radon, can also be examined as earthquake precursors. Time and practice train the mind to go from ordinary conceptual modes of operation to greater stillness and equanimity. Our future could be outside the mind. Some of the Earth's internal architecture is an educated guess, because the longest trail we have has only penetrated 12 kilometers, and there's 6,300 kilometers between us and the center of the Earth. Is this a fact? Sure, it is not flat.